In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI avatars instantly with Google Gemini Veo 3. The process is straightforward, and you'll be amazed at how quickly and easily you can craft stunning avatars. So let's dive in and explore it step by step. First, you want to start by preparing your avatar concept. Think about what type of avatar you'd like to create. Consider features like hair color, attire, facial expressions, and any other specific characteristics you desire. This conceptual groundwork is crucial because it will significantly influence the final avatar's appearance and ensure it's aligned with what you have in mind. Next, what you'll need to do is open the Gemini application. Gemini is Google's powerful AI toolset, and it's a vital part of this process. If you haven't already, make sure the application is installed and updated to the latest version to take full advantage of its capabilities. Once you're in Gemini, your journey towards creating a digital masterpiece begins. Now, it's time to start a new chat or a new prompt. Think of this as setting the stage for your creative process. By initiating a new prompt, you're essentially telling Gemini that you're ready to embark on a new project. This is where the process starts to get exciting because you're setting the wheels in motion for creating something unique. With your new chat or prompt open, look for the Tools menu. Here, you're going to select Create Videos with Veo. This option is specifically designed for tasks involving video and avatar creation, leveraging Google Gemini's advanced AI capabilities to bring your avatar to life. It's an intuitive feature, and you'll find that the interface guides you efficiently through each step. Now, you're going to input your prompt. This is where all that conceptualizing comes into play. Be as detailed as possible in describing what you envision. The AI thrives on specifics, so mention attributes like personality traits, specific facial features, or even the kind of setting you imagine your avatar in, because these details help the AI understand and generate the best possible representation of what you have in mind. After entering your prompt, go ahead and submit it. Now, this is where the magic happens. You'll need to wait a moment as the avatar is generated. The duration can vary slightly depending on the complexity of your prompt, but it's usually a quick and seamless process. Patience here is key, but the results are well worth the wait. Finally, once you're satisfied with what's been generated, the next step is to download your avatar and save it. Inspect the avatar to ensure it matches your concept. If it does, go ahead and download it, saving it securely for your current project or future use. And that's it. You've successfully created an AI avatar using Google Gemini Veo 3. This tool makes the process efficient and fun, allowing your creativity to shine. Enjoy your new avatar and all the exciting possibilities it brings.